Welcome to my YouTube channel Communication Skill. In this video, you will learn simple English sentences for daily use. Each sentence comes with a clear meaning to help you understand easily. Listen carefully, read the text, and repeat after me. Let's get started. Keep moving forward. Repeat again. Keep moving forward. Be grateful. Repeat again. Be grateful. Stop worrying. Repeat again. Stop worrying. Change is necessary. Repeat again. Change is necessary. Believe in miracles. Repeat again. Believe in miracles. Every day is a chance. Repeat again. Every day is a chance. Choose happiness. Repeat again. Choose happiness. Stay away from negativity. Repeat again. Stay away from negativity. Keep your heart clean. Repeat again. Keep your heart clean. Respect your time. Repeat again. Respect your time. Never hurt anyone. Repeat again. Never hurt anyone. Speak politely. Repeat again. Speak politely. Focus on goals. Repeat again. Focus on goals. Protect your peace. Repeat again. Protect your peace. Don't trust too easily. Repeat again. Don't trust too easily. Keep your circle small. Repeat again. Keep your circle small. Smile often. Repeat again. Smile often. Life is short. Repeat again. Life is short. Stay disciplined. Repeat again. Stay disciplined. Learn to say no. Repeat again. Learn to say no. Value good people. Repeat again. Value good people. Don't repeat mistakes. Repeat again. Don't repeat mistakes. Stay loyal. Repeat again. Stay loyal. Choose wisely. Repeat again. Choose wisely. Believe in yourself. Repeat again. Believe in yourself. Fix your habits. Repeat again. Fix your habits. Think before you speak. Repeat again. Think before you speak. Accept reality. Repeat again. Accept reality. Be independent. Repeat again. Be independent. Don't complain. Repeat again. Don't complain. Work on yourself. Repeat again. Work on yourself. Love your parents. Repeat again. Love your parents. Stay productive. Repeat again. Stay productive. Appreciate small things. Repeat again. Appreciate small things. Don't fear failure. Repeat again. Don't fear failure. Start small. Repeat again. Start small. Stay consistent. Repeat again. Stay consistent. Today's lesson is complete. In next we will learn new English sentences with meaning. Thanks for watching this video. See you in the next lesson. Like, share and subscribe for more English lessons.